My students, now see some identities which we have to use and solve some applications as at first see a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, see some examples as if 3x plus 2y whole square. Here, using this formula, we can write 2x square plus 3y square plus 2 into first term 2x into second term 3. Here, we can write 4x square plus 9y square plus 2 to 4 3 12 x. Or if the question is as 5a plus 7 by 2 whole square. Again, using this formula, it means using a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term into second. Here it will be. Here it can write as 5a square second term 7 by 2 square plus 2 into first term 5a and second term 7 by 2. Here 5 square 25 a square 7 square 49 2a square plus 2 to 2 cancel 5 7 are 35 will be. Similarly, see example number third. If 1 plus 2ab whole square. Here we can write using same a plus b whole square, first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term into second. It means 1 square, second term it means 2ab square plus 2 into first term a, second term 2ab. Here 1 square 1, 2 square 4, a square b square plus 2 to 4 ab. Or you can write 1 plus 4 ab plus 4 a square b square. Now similarly, see second formula. If a minus b whole square, it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second. Here, if the question is as 5x minus 3 whole square, using this formula, you can write 5x square, second term it means 3y square minus 2 into first term 5x into second term 3y. 5 square 25, x square 3 square 9, y square minus 2 5 are 10 and 3 are 30 xy. Now if the question is as 7a minus 3 whole square. Here again we can write first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second. So here 7 square 49 a square 3 square 9 minus are 6, 7 are 42. Again, it can be written 49a square minus 42a plus, इस तरह से हम जो है a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर यानी a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab को यूज करके एप्लीकेशंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। Now see some more applications as if the question is x square plus y square whole square, it can be written as first term x square, second term y square plus 2 into first term x square into second term y square. So here it can be written x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4 plus 2 x square y square. Or if the question is as x raised to power 3 minus y square whole square, here first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second term. Here we can write x raised to power 6 plus y raised to power 2 to 4 minus 2x cube y square. Again see, if the question is x raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 6 whole square, here we can write first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second. So here it will be x power to power is multiplied plus y raised to power 6 to 12 minus 2 raised x raised to power 6 and y raised to power 6. इस तरह से जो है हम a plus b का होल स्क्वायर या a minus b का होल स्क्वायर के बेस पे हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। Here it may be as also 2.5x minus 1.5y whole square. Again the same process, first term square plus second term square and minus 2 into first term 2.5x, second term 1.5y. Here 2.5 square 6.25 x square, 1.5 square 2.25 y square, and here minus 2.5 into 2 यानी 5 और 5 into 1.5 यानी 7.5 xy is the answer. यानी वेरियस टाइप्स के प्रॉब्लम हो सकते हैं, सेम प्रोसेस है, सेम प्रोसेस यूज करके आप उसे एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट if a square minus b square, it can be written a plus b into a minus b, or it is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. If the equation is, if the question is 64 x square minus a, here we can write 8x square minus 9 square. Using a plus b into a minus b, it is 8x plus 9 into 8x minus 9. And then if the question is x plus 9 into x minus 9, it can be written a square minus b square. It means x square minus 9 square. X square 9 square 81 is the answer. Or if it is 2x plus 7 into 2x minus 7, it is a plus b and a minus b. So it will be 2x square minus 7 square. 2x square it will be 4x square minus 7 square 49. इस तरह से इसे भी हम जो है डिफरेंट टाइप से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ if the question is as 8x square minus 8. Now इसे सॉल्व करना है. That first we can do take as common in bracket it is 4x square minus 9. So it will be 2 and here it is 2x square minus 3x square. Now we can write it as 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3. Similarly, if the question is as 75 p square minus 108 q square, इसे एक्सपेंड करने के लिए हम 3 कॉमन ले लें. 3 तो इन ब्रैकेट it is 25x square at 25 p square minus 36 q square. Here again we can write part 25 p square 5 p square minus 6q square. Again here we can use a square minus b square, so it can be write a plus b and a minus b. It means 5p plus 6q. In second bracket 5p plus 6q. इस तरह से जो है हम और भी क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल a raised to power 4 b raised to power 4 minus 1. It can be written a square b square minus 1 square. Now it is a square b square plus 1 and here a square b square minus 1. Again it is a square b square plus 1 and in second bracket again a b square minus 1 square. So a square b square plus 1 into second bracket ab plus 1 into ab minus. So there may be various types of problems and we can solve it using this process. Now some more identity have to use here. I see it is x plus a into x plus b. It is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a. Here, for example, x plus 3 into x plus 2. Using this formula, we can write x square plus a plus b. It means 3 plus 2 into x plus a into b. So it is x square 3 into 5x and 3 to 6. Similarly, the next it is if x plus a into x minus b, it can be written x square plus a minus b into x minus ab. It is, for example, if the question is p plus 9 into p minus 6, here using this formula we can write here p square plus 9 minus 6 into p, it means a minus a into b. So p square 9 minus 6 yani 3p 9 6 are 54. So our x minus a into x plus b. Here if the equation it is x square minus a minus b into x plus minus a into b. For example, x minus 3 into x plus 2, it can be written x square minus a minus b into x minus a into b. So it is x square minus 3 minus 3 and 1x minus 3 to the 6, or we can write x square minus x minus 6. Now once more, if it is x minus a into x minus b, it is x square minus a plus b into x and plus ab. So if x minus 5 into x minus 3, it is x square minus minus a plus b 5 plus 3 into x and plus 5 into 3. Now it can be written x square minus 5 3 8x plus 5 3 are 15. इस तरह से इन एप्लीकेशंस को यूज करके हम वेरियस टाइप्स के प्रॉब्लम्स को क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक्स. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सबमिट किया.